Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to discuss about writing a C program to accept the marks of 6 subjects and then make the total of those 6 marks and calculate the percentage, and based on the percentage I want to display the grades of a student, whether the student has taken distinction, first class, second class, pass class or fail. Now before coming to today's program, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our program. Let me first write the output of this program. Okay. When this program gets executed, it asks user to enter the marks of 6 subjects. Then user will enter the marks of 6 subjects like 50, 95. Then these marks gets added to get the total is equals to 445, and also I need to display the percentage is equals to 74, and based on the percentage I want to display a message distinction. So this is the output which we want to achieve in your program. So this should be the output for this program. So how we can get this output? So as you can see, just by looking at this output you can clearly see that how many variables do we require. Since we are accepting 6 different marks from the user, so to hold each and every of these marks in our program we should create 6 different variables. Let us suppose M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6 are the 6 variables which hold these 6 values. And what else variable we require? We require total variable, because we are calculating the total and we need to create a variable which will hold the value of total, right? So one more variable with the name total is required, and we require one more variable to hold the percentage value. Okay. So these are the set of variables which we need to create in our program. Okay. So this is a very simple program which uses else if ladder concept, because here we are various alternatives in terms of output. An output can be a distinction, an output can be a first class or a second class or a pass class or a fail based on the percentage. So whenever we are having the possibility of displaying different output, then in that case we can use else if ladder branching statement. Now I will straightly go to write this program because it is a very simple program. That's why I will be moving directly to write the C program. So as you can see, here I have already written the output. I will be just referring this output to write the C program. Then now I need to declare 6 variables: M1, M2, M6. Now I need to create 2 more variables, which is total and percentage. I will create another variable of type float for total and percentage. Okay. Next I need to display this message to the user. Subjects. Then one by one I need to accept these different marks. %d format specifier for 6 times. Since I'm expecting 6 different marks from the user, that's why I need to use %d 6 times. M5, M6. This much is done. Now I need to make the total. Total equals to M1 plus M2 plus M6. Now we will get the total. Now we have the total, we need to calculate the percentage. I have created a variable percentage PER. PER is equals to total by 600 into 100. Okay. Next, we will be getting the percentage here. Now based on the percentage, we need to decide whether the student has got distinction, first class, second class, pass class or fail. So I will use if percentage is greater than or equals to 80, then I will print distinction. Semicolon. Else if percentage is greater than or equals to 60 and percentage is less than 80. Okay. If the percentage which student has got comes between the range of 60 to less than 80, then I will display printf first class. Okay. Next, I need to check for the second class. Else if percentage is greater than or equals to 50 and percentage is less than 60, then printf second class. Next, else if percentage is greater than or equals to 35 and percentage is less than 50, then print f pass class. Now the last one is else printf fail semicolon, and now return 0 curly bracket close. Okay. If none of these conditions get satisfied, then the student will be fail. Okay. So this is how you can use this else if ladder to write the program to make the total of 6 marks and find the percentage and decide whether the student has scored distinction, first class, second class, pass class or fail. Okay, I hope you guys have understood how to write this simple program. So that's all for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.